For the first time in millions of years, flowers are blooming in Antarctica, indicating that Earth's temperature is rising, causing the ice to melt and allowing flowers to bloom. Interesting facts. The last one is the most shocking. The US government admits to having lost 6 nukes since 1950. To this day, the whereabouts to this dangerous weapons are unknown. You get to live in this house with free food and Wi-Fi, but you have to share the house with the third person who appears when you click on share. And then WhatsApp. Would you do it? You'd have to buy 6 fake leather products to replace 1 real leather product, as fake leather lasts on average 2 to 5 years versus 30 to 50 years for real leather. Comment "I faked" and let your autocorrect finish the sentence. I will pin the funniest comment. You actually see with your brain, not with your eyes. Your eyes function like a camera, capturing light and sending data back to your brain. A blue whale's mouthful is around 10 million calories, which is the equivalent of 10,000 Big Macs.